Hello friends, so this is the second video to the basic to introduction. So in the first video we have studied about the mean, mode and the median, how that is being done. Now we will try to do this in the Excel. So we'll take an example, that is we are having 10 students in a class and we want to find the mean height of that particular class. So to find the mean height of these students, what we do is we add them all up and divide by the total number of students. So let's try to find out this in the Excel. So for example, we are having like 10 students over here, and these are their like various heights, which could be any like random height of the students. Some could be like taller also, some could be much taller, shorter students. Okay, so here we have the height of the students. Now we want to find the mean. So what we do, we write here the mean and we write the formula directly, which is equals to average, and we put a bracket over here, select from here till the number of data, we close the bracket and we put enter. So we got our mean, that is 157.6. I hope it was clear. Now if you want to find the median of this, then what we do, we will write equals to median, and then we use the bracket, then we select the data to here, we close the bracket and enter. So here we have the median. So I have told you the mean, the median and the mode. You can find the mode by looking directly at the data also, and I think in this figure there is no numbers occurring again, so no need to find out. Now the second thing which I was going to tell you was the t-test, which can be used directly into the Excel. Now the t-test is used when we have two different data. For example, now we have another data of different class, and okay, so we have their height also. The height is like this. We can write some random heights. Okay, so we have the random height. We can find the mean for this. So we have mean over here. Okay, so we have the mean of this class. We can find the median for this also. We can drag the cursor directly, and the same formula will be applied in the cell which we want to find, in like in all these cells. And even you can write the formula directly also by writing the equals to sign also. So we have the mean, median for this also. Now if we want to find the t-test over, we want to apply the t students test over here. Now how do we apply in this Excel? Let's have a look over this. Suppose we take this here, we write the equals to sign over here, we write the t-test, we write the bracket. Now it is telling us the array 1. So as we know that array 1, we have the two rows, that is the b column of different height and the first of the second of the different class. So we select this whole array from here to the last particular thing. Now we put a comma over here, then we put the second one over here, that is we will take it to this, then we put a comma over here. Now it is written over here, it is one tail distribution or a two tail distribution. So if we are taking a data of a same sample, we use the one-tailed distribution. But in the case of two different samples, as in the example, we see that that is two different classes we are discussing. So we take a two-tailed distribution, and just hold on. Tail is like two, and the type is one-tailed or the second-tailed. It depends upon the hypothesis we have took into particular the particular problem we are dealing with. So we directly put it to the two sample variance equivalence homeostatic. We are taking the height only, so we put 2 over here and we close the bracket, and we get our T student test score over here. So this is how the mean, mode, median, things are done, and the T student test is done. Thank you for watching.